Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write easy, simple speech for Children's Day celebration at your school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Let's get started. First line is, Good morning everyone. Second line is, Happy Children's Day to all my friends. Third line is, My name is Arya. Fourth line is, Today we are celebrating Children's Day. Fifth line is, It is celebrated on 14th of November every year. Sixth line is, This day is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seventh line is, He loved children very much. Eighth line is, We all call him Chacha Nehru. Ninth line is, Let us all be happy and make this day special. Last line is, Thank you all.